Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for today. Well, it's not really analysis in insight, or it's a reflection of the market move today. So it's you can say this is an analysis, but it's more like a reflection of how the market behaved today, and we'll learn from the history how the market, and we apply that for our future trades. So first of all, look what has happened here. This market, this was the Asian high, and as you can see, this head and shoulder pattern. Yeah. So if on as soon as the market, either you can take a trade here, book some profit here. It's just at a smaller level on 15-minute chart. And then when the market went up there, take another trade here because that's more likely is possibility of you can just uh, expect to be a head and shoulder pattern because this is a level here. So we put your stop loss here and then take another trade here, and as soon as the market come here, book first profit. And on the first trade, we already booked the profits up to you know, book 80%, 70, 90s. So I personally book most of the profit here. So on the second one, we take another trade here, book a profit here. When the market went up, then you have the option to take a smaller lot size, and take a trade again, and then book a profit here again. And once this level is broken, you know it's broken, and the pressure of the market to the downside, you can check with this higher time frame as well. And you can see the market, how the market is moving, and then it will make things more clear to you, right? And once this area is broken, you can take another sell trade, and the first profit will be the Asian low. When Asian low is broken, if you have good confirmation, and then you can always take a sell trade here. But be careful, because what happens when the Asian low is broken or high is broken, then sometimes there's a liquidity grab. So wait for the good candle to be formed. In this case, if you wait for 15-minute candle, and then you've got a level here as well, so you probably won't be able to take a trade. However, if you took a trade here, if you have some trade running here, then you could have again this, because this is a level here. Let me draw this. This is a level here, right? And now let me remove all these lines. And now we've got a level here as well. And it's a 15-minute chart. Look, what a beautiful candle is 15-minute. And you can see that this candle, we can always take a trade here once the 15 minutes finished. In fact, the best way would be wait for this 15-minute to finish, which it did. Go to smaller time frame here, and as soon as this 5-minute, we know the market pressure is downside because of 15 minutes. It cannot told us. Now, you go to smaller time frame, you go to 5-minute, and look the rejection here. Take a sell trade here, stop loss here, and you can book your profit at this level, because this is a level. Always try to book the profit 5-10 pips before the actual level, because of the spread. And sometimes what happens, the market doesn't quite close on that level. So there are always 5-10, and if there's a time frame is bigger, probably more difference. In some cases, 50 to 100 pips in larger time frames. So make sure you do that. And now what happened then? Let me remove this. Okay. What I can see here now, that this is a level here. Let me go to line chart, and you're able to see more clearly. So this is a level here in 4 hour. So there's a possibility the market may come down a little bit more. And this is 1 hour chart. And let me go to the candles again. And this is how you analyze the market trend. Now, if we get a good confirmation here for buy, possibly 4 hour, in this kind of situation, probably we need a 4 hour candle to close bullish around here, because the market is still playing up here and probably liquidating, hitting the stop losses. Here, this is a very critical zone and where most of the people lose money. So be careful in this kind of situation. However, if you do take a trade, look at 15 minutes, you took a trade. And once you took a trade in when you see such a candle in 15 minutes, let me, this is 15 minutes, you go smaller time frame. This is a 15, this was 15-minute candle. Yes, and between this is 15-minute candle. And if you go 5 minutes, on the rejection here, as soon as the market come down, we can take a trade here, right? It filled this fair value gap. So we take a buy trade here, profit to the next level here, and stop loss in this case is bigger. But if you want to take a risk, it's almost 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. It's a good place to take a risk here. Now, but you can say that, oh, can we take a trade here? Looking at this pattern, it looks like if it is a pattern, it's kind of head and shoulder patterns, then you can take a smaller risk here, and first take a profit here, and then next levels. However, the market didn't go to the upside. Now, for 15 minutes, and 15 minutes, what happened? 15 minutes market came down. This candlestick pattern on the level tells the market can come down. And if you go 5 minutes, you see this is 5-minute chart. If you go 1 minute, you can, this range is broken, and here you go. That's the trade. Stop loss here, very small stop loss, and a take profit here, and almost 1-to-2, 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. This is how you trade. Okay, that's for the gold. And what is the current scenario? As I said, look at the larger time frame. The things are now very clear in smaller time frame. And also go to the line chart and look at the smaller time frame, and things will make more sense to you. And because as I said previously, the technically gold should come down. Why? Because if you go in daily, market already has gone up so much high from this bottom, and now because of the conflict in Middle East, we are still bullish. However, technically it should come down between this level here, 50 to 60. This is around 1900 level. So, but because of this conflict, if this level is broken, 2000 level, we can expect all-time high and even further to the upside. So that's the situation in gold. So always be careful when you take a sell trade. This is a level, and this is a level, and this is another level. And you never know if the conflict situation gets better. We may expect the market to come down to fill this gap as well. Obviously, it will take some time to come back. Right. Okay, that's the gold. And what about GBP, JPY? Very interesting situation is if you use 4 hour, which you should do always. Let's go daily first of all. And daily, what we have? Double top here, double top here, and bearish scenario here. And we got double bottom here, rejection, and double, because there's a double top here in daily also. Let me draw this line again. So double top, we already have bearish scenario. We got double top and market came down here, double top again. We got confirmation of this 4 hour evening start. Look, what a beautiful trade. It's very small stop loss and look at the reward, probably 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio. This is how you trade. And another one, look how beautiful was this trade. Is if your risk to reward is good, there's no way you can lose money in forex trading. And I leave it to you. This is very interesting situation here, and I really love this kind of trades. And look here, we may find another buying opportunity here if we get a good confirmation here. However, if this level is broken, we'll make further move to the downside. Okay, so I hope this is useful to you and have a good day. Good night. Thank you. Bye-bye.